జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. Now Ravanasura getting back to Maricha, saying that, "Oh Maricha, I am the king. You should not be speaking so rudely to me." And Ravanasura showed all of his kingship, all of his domination upon Maricha. Then now Maricha again saying back to Ravanasura with the same amount of rudeness, and strongly he is getting back now, saying that, "Oh Rakshasa Raja Ravana, someone who gave you this idea, he must be a big sinner. He gave you this dreadful, very scary idea to abduct Sita Devi. O Ravana, with this, your entire kingdom, all your ministers, everything is going to be completely destroyed. O Ravana, I am telling you, someone is not at all happy with you. Someone does not like you to be happy. That is why he gave you this Mrutyudvaram Upayataha, this idea which opens the doors for you to get into death. That much he is willing to destroy you. O Rakshasa Raja, he is planning in such a way to destroy you, and with your own hands the entire kingdom is destroyed and entire of your belonging is destroyed. To that extent someone is planning. That is why he gave you this dreadful idea. O Ravana, I am wondering, I am doubting, and all your ministers, what are they doing now? When king is getting ready to do such a nasty things, when king is getting all these bad ideas to implement, ministers are the one who supposed to stop king from doing these kind of bad things. Your ministers are not doing this. That means they are also probably not at all interested in keeping you happy. Now what you need to do is, first thing what you supposed to do is go back to your kingdom and kill all your ministers. Ravana, if you do good things, because of that everyone will be happy along with you. If you do bad things, everyone will get into troubles because of you and including you. For Ravana, for the entire dharmam, for the entire success, king is the main cause, king is the main reason, king is the main pillar for the entire kingdom. I know all these things. That is why, Ravana, I am trying in every possible way to stop you from doing this nasty thing, bad thing, dreadful thing. O Ravana, the one, the king who is having no control upon his senses, people would not like such bad king. The king who brings all kind of bad schemes and implements upon people. People would not like such bad thing. When people does not like king, that king would not be able to rule the kingdom for long time. Oh Ravana, that is why all the kings must be having a very good friends, very good association. That is very essential to all the kings. This is how again Maricha trying to stop Ravana from doing those bad things. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.